do yourselves a favour and watch this clip. It's some of the worst riding I think I've ever seen. The bloke on the white Z800 goes through first, cutting it a bit fine, and then the second bike's his girlfriend on this SV650, and well, she goes around a left-handed bend downhill, a blind left-handed bend downhill with no bailout. She can't cut in between because the bikes are too close, and then she has to go around a sweeping right-handed bend, and you can just about see at the clip because of the camera angle, camera lens. It's she runs wide, nearly bins it. Absolutely atrocious riding, unbelievably bad. Here comes Mr. fucking Z800, look. Right into the, that's it, go on mate. Oh, you bitch. You take the, why would you, look where she is. Look where she fucking is, look. Oh my fucking god. Oh my fucking god, that can't fucking ride, can it? Oh my fucking...
Why would you look where she is? Look where she fucking is, look! Oh my fucking god!
Oh my fucking god! Wow! Fucking wow! 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 Well, all I can say is fucking wow, mate! That is unfucking believable. Whether not to overtake, fucking a left and a right handed bend and then nearly ran wide, went in the ditch anyway. Fucking wow. Check it out and tell me what you think. Leave a comment. Ciao baby.